have represented here Indian Parliament with increased sitting capacity and new facilities for our decision makers of the country. This is recycled bridge which is made up of plastic plus charcoal. It comes under sustainable development. And this is the Chandrayaan-4, the upcoming project. Chandrayaan-3 has landed on the lunar surface, but it will pick up the soil from the moon and bring it to our laboratories for research. This is 5G network and shows India's progressing in digital aspects. Now I would like to hand over to
In our model, we have highlighted some upcoming projects in the different states of our country, like mainly focus on the healthcare sector, like AIMS Avantipura in Kashmir, AIMS Rajkot in Gujarat, AIMS Darbhanga in Bihar are under construction. And many healthcare schemes are launched by the Indian government, like National Health Scheme launched in 2013 and Ayushman Bharat launched in 2018. And this is the first description of our model, whatever we have presented in our model. This is about new parliament building, Chandrayaan-4, and this is 5G network, recycle bridge, and this is about 2047 upcoming project.
Our model represents the 4 pillars of Viksit Bharat. The 4 pillars of Viksit Bharat are youth, women, farmer and poor. Now first pillar is youth. Here the mic represents the voice of the youth. Example, there is a program known as Mann Ki Baat, in which our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi has face-to-face conversation with our youth, which gives an innovative idea which can help in the development of the country. There are various schemes which helps in the sustainable employment for the youth, like PM Rozgar Yojana and PM Kaushal Vikas Yojana. Now the next pillar is good. Here this would represent the opportunity which is given to the females in the Sainik school, in which they can do the admission. Now next there is also on the remarkable event which happened on the 26th January, where the military nursing services for the first time had participated in the 26th January film, which marks the remarkable event in the empowerment of the women. Now our college, as the honor is also the base of also is the true example of the women empowerment. I will hand over this slide.
So the next pillar is the component of our nation, that are farmers. So the government has started the scheme of E-Kisan Uchh Nidhi, where the new technology and different kinds of machinery is introduced to ease the workload of the farmers. Here also the government has reduced the rent of the warehouses, where the farmers, especially the small farmers, can store their crops and live in them without facing any financial difficulty. And also in some states like in Punjab, free electricity is given to the farmers so they can harvest their crops. The next pillar is of course that the government has introduced the scheme of Pradhan Mantri Ujjwal Yojana, where the free cooking fuel and LPG connections are given to the poor. So the other scheme introduced by the government is Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. System of the houses for poor is going on. And also the government has introduced the 50-year interest-free loan for the poor. So here is the model of the hand that indicates that if all 4 pillars of the Viksit Bharat are economically developed and fully stable, then by the year 2047, India will increase in economical growth and we will be able to call our nation as the Viksit Bharat.
Of Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas, we can surely make a country to developing country till 2047.
Here we are representing our model on the topic agriculture, the backbone. Here we have depicted that how villages are interconnected to the cities. Not only cities are responsible for development of our country, but villages are also too responsible for it.
As we know that more than 60% of India's population is dependent on agriculture. Agriculture is the main source of food. So we have depicted here that how these crops and the dairy products are transported from villages to the cities. Then we have represented a biogas plant. In this biogas plant, a digester is present in which some microbes are there which convert the organic material into the biogas, which is methane, and also produces manure which is used in these crop fields to increase the productivity and to gain the fertility to the fields. Then we have represented the windmills and the solar panels. These depicted that how natural energy is converted into the electrical energy. Electrical energy is further transported or further transferred into the cities and the villages for their various purposes.
Since the time of pandemic, India have made the COVID shield to protect our citizens from the COVID-19 virus. And then we have shown the tag of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao program. We have depicted this tag in village area because mainly in villages area the girls are not allowed to study for a long time. So we have depicted it here. And then we have made a tag of UPI From here we are showing that how our India is taking a step forward towards digital India, and we have made a tag for 5G also, which shows how India have take a step forward from 4G to 5G. And this whole model shows how Viksit Bharat is made.
Topic science and technology. In this model, we have tried to present the largest solar park in the world as of 2023. This Bhadal Solar Park, which is in Rajasthan, is the largest solar park which is working on reduction of greenhouse gas impact, and it covers an area of 56 square kilometers. Second is the bullet train project. According to National Rail Plan, India is planning 13 bullet trains across an area of 7,968 kilometers along 7 corridors across the country. Here we have tried depicting the space achievements of India. As of 2023, the Chandrayaan 3 model, this is the Pragyan rover of Chandrayaan 3. India is the first nation to land successfully on southern pole of moon. And these are upcoming ISRO missions. Mangalyaan 2 in the year 2026. Gangayaan, the first spacecraft carrying astronauts. Shukrayaan 3 to orbit Venus in the year 2025. Aditya L1 2023. It is already launched to study the surface of sun, that is corona.
Next, there is the Indian envelope, ties with India's courage, heart, strength, and confidence. This represents the India's judicial system, which describes the mobile codes and e-registration of the complaints of the people of India. This represents the healthcare facilities with the development of India. This describes Ayushman card under the Ayushman Bharat scheme. This shows the 5 lakh rupee treatment to underprivileged people of India. Here we describes the air ambulance facility that recently been started in Gujarat and Karnataka, and we hope it should be spread in different parts of India. Talking about this is Digital India, which represents the education, mobile services, information for all, healthcare, skills and job creation, micro ATM, tax reforms, e-ticketing, and media service, as well as infrastructure development with the help of Digital India scheme. Next, talking about the Atmanirbhar Bharat, it includes the Make in India, and this describes the Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme. This shows that the indigenous products should be exported and we should less import the foreign goods. Atmanirbhar Bharat describes the self-sufficiency of India, and this is the economic growth. This whole depicts the future goals of India in terms of economic growth. Presently describing it as 5th position in the world, and we hope it should be around, it should reach up to 3rd position in the year 2047.
To conclude this entire view, we have this case representing the social evil existing in our country, that is inequality, unemployment, healthcare system, poverty, illiteracy, and economic inequality. And we hope that by the year 2047, India will be free of all these evils and will again be the golden bird that India was in the year before 1947.